Hi everyone. We are now with our super hooper Akshata. As you all know, the Hoopsters League of Action Heroes has a special contest called the Super Hooper Contest, which is basically to celebrate the change makers of tomorrow, which are our children. You see, there are a lot of incredible kids out there who are doing interesting things and taking up several initiatives to make a difference in the world. And these are the kind of children that we are celebrating through the Super Hooper contest. And today we have with us Akshata. Hi, Akshata. Can you please tell us a little bit about yourself? Which school do you go to? How old are you?
I'm Akshata S. Kottur from Kumadviti Residential Central School and I'm 14 years old.
You're 14 years old. You're an NCC cadet, is that right? I can see from your
Yes, ma'am.
uniform. How long have you been in NCC?
Ma'am, it's almost 2 years, ma'am.
Okay. Do you hold any rank, or are you like a captain or a leader or something like that? Can you give us what the rankings are in NCC?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there is no rank still now, ma'am. For to get a rank, we have to attend a camp because due to this pandemic, we were not able to because as our teachers also were doing online classes. Due to this, our rank is just only cadet, ma'am.
Okay. So now, if you do your camp, what rank could you possibly get? What is the next rank?
That we still don't know, ma'am.
But what is it usual? What is after cadet? Or is it
There
how
are
does
many
it?
ranks, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody gets a different rank. Is that it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Akshata. So how did you hear about Super Hoopers? Who told you about Super Hoopers?
Ma'am, we come to this Super Hooper contest by our principal, ma'am.
Okay. And what did she tell you? Why you should enter this contest?
Ma'am, she told us that they are finding some kids who are really talented and they want them to make more motivated towards other children. So I think you guys can also get into it. So ma'am told us like that, ma'am.
That is exactly the idea. I think she got perfectly right. The idea is to talk to children like you who are actually taking up initiatives so that hopefully other children also get inspired and start doing these things. So tell us about your initiatives, Akshata. What is it that makes you a super hooper?
Ma'am, it makes me super hooper by planting a tree or contributing a small tree to the society, ma'am.
Okay, so do you do this on a regular basis?
Yes, ma'am. I think I have a very big connection with planting trees, ma'am.
And how come? How did you start
Ma'am,
doing it?
because there is a long story behind this, ma'am, that why I want to plant a tree. That
Tell,
was my childhood dream, ma'am.
tell us. You can tell us long story. We have time.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the story is when I was studying in UKG or first standard, during that time, our grandparents told that they want to renovate their house as it was old. So we had two large coconut trees there, ma'am. I had a very big connection with that. I was not knowing that what was going to happen, but they cut it off the tree, ma'am. Because of that, I felt very bad and whenever I planted a tree at my house, it would not at all last long, nearly 1 week, ma'am. I don't know why, but this plant which I planted right now is still there, ma'am. So I'm so happy behind that, ma'am.
How long has this tree been for? I mean, how long has it been around for? When did you plant it?
Ma'am, during World Environment Day.
Okay, and which year? How many years or how many months has it been?
Ma'am, the last year I have planted it, ma'am.
Okay. And what plant was this that you planted? What kind of tree or what kind of plant was it? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us what it is.
It was a turmeric plant, ma'am.
It is a turmeric plant. And do you organize any plantation drives where you can plant several trees in your town or city? Do you also organize that?
Ma'am, I would try, ma'am, because the place where I live is not much sociable, ma'am. People don't talk with each other much, ma'am.
Okay, so if you can, you would want them to join you. Is that right?
Yes, of course. Yes, ma'am.
Tell us how NCC has helped you take up these initiatives or contribute to society. How does NCC help you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we are just a social person, then it's become our job, ma'am. If we are in NCC, ma'am, then that is our job, ma'am. Because we are NCC National Cadet Corps to only to support the society and make it clean, make it healthy, and people should understand that one, ma'am. Through NCC, I have got many chances so that I can contribute to the society, ma'am. It is a path of way which provided to me, ma'am. NCC.
So tell us about what opportunities you have received through NCC to contribute to society.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, through that, we do several activities, ma'am, monthly. We would clean a lake, nearby lake. We would clean the surrounding places, our garden, our school ground. By doing this, I got motivated, ma'am.
Can you share one of your most favorite experiences doing these social activities? What is one memory that you've always had in your mind?
Ma'am, that is while cleaning a river, ma'am.
Okay, so tell us more about it. What makes it special?
Ma'am, because it makes me special because while cleaning, ma'am, we have been through lots of problems, ma'am. We were bite by many mosquitoes, and it was very hard to clean at that, ma'am, at that place because it was slope, ma'am, slope to the river.
Okay.
And during that time, with our hard work and effort, we were able to achieve it, ma'am. So that makes me special, ma'am.
Okay, that's why I remember because it was difficult to clean the river, is it?
Yes, ma'am. And it was successful.
Okay, that is amazing. Good job. Good job. How many of you were there cleaning up the river?
Nearly 50 members, ma'am.
Wow. And is this river in your town?
Yes, ma'am. It was just behind the school, ma'am. It was called as Kumadviti.
Okay. So tell me, Akshata, how do your parents or your friends motivate you to keep doing the good work that you're doing? How do they contribute?
Ma'am, they just tell us that if you are not able to, then leave it. But never forget that what you have done. That only they say, ma'am. They never force me to do this work compulsory. You should plant a tree. You should do this. They tell that it should come from your heart. Then only you will achieve it, ma'am. By
Okay.
this, they tell, ma'am.
So all these initiatives that you take up are your own thought, right? Are your own initiatives.
Could you please repeat,
So
ma'am?
all these initiatives that you're taking up are your own ideas and you're putting them into action. So that is a very good thing, Akshata. Tell us, how does doing something good for society make you feel? What is the best thing about that?
Ma'am, if you help someone, ma'am, you feel something in your body, ma'am. That is happiness. That I get every time when I do to the society, ma'am. Even if I clean a river, or even if I clean the road, or even I plant a tree, or whatever it may be, ma'am. That happiness which I get from my body, no, that can't be explained, ma'am.
I'm glad you're able to feel that at such a young age because that is motivation itself to push you to do this in the future. So tell me,
Yeah.
Akshata, how do you plan to take your initiatives or whatever social activities that you're doing? How do you plan to continue them? Do you have any vision? Do you have any something that you really want to do?
Ma'am, in my future, I just wanted to create a group, ma'am, for helping the society. Even if I want, I can also take the poor people or the beggars also into my team by telling that I would help you, but you should help me in the case to support the society, ma'am. That's my dream, ma'am.
And when you have this team of yours, okay, what are the kinds of things that you plan to do?
First of all is I will try my best to make the poor thing in our society to come down, ma'am.
Okay.
That's the major reason right now, ma'am. poverty is more in the society. I just wanted to make it less, ma'am.
Okay, so will you be helping them get jobs? How do you plan to do that?
Ma'am, by taking them into my group, ma'am.
So your group will support them. Okay, that's
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
That's a very interesting vision, and we hope that you can actually make that come true. And if you
Yes.
do, we'll be watching and we'll be cheering for you. And I hope that happens. Now, tell me, Akshata, why is it important for children to start taking up social initiatives?
Ma'am, it is very important, ma'am, because when they grow up, when they see such things, they would just ignore it, ma'am. That should
Okay,
not happen, ma'am. That should come from their base, ma'am.
okay,
As we learn our language, that time only we should learn everything that is surrounded by us, ma'am. We should know a bit about that, ma'am. That would help us
okay.
from start.
So, what are the things when you work with your team or when you work as an NCC cadet? What are the other things that you learn? Like, do you learn how to, like teamwork, confidence? What are the skills that you build?
Ma'am, the very first thing that I learned from this is you should not be feeling shame for what you are doing. If you are cleaning something in the society, then you should not feel ashamed, ma'am. Because I have seen many people are my friends only. If they see a beggar, they wanted to help, ma'am, but they'll just think that what would other people would do, other people would think.
Mm-hmm.
I learned that I should not feel like that. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. That is, you're right. You're right. So sometimes, even if we're cleaning the road or we're cleaning, we feel like this is dirty, or I don't want somebody to see me picking up this trash. So yeah, that is correct. That is very important that you've learned that uh, from your activities. But tell me, does it also help you in some way or the other in school? Do these activities help you do better in school?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, ma'am. Teachers appreciates us, ma'am, which makes us even more motivated to do those work. And even they call upon names in the assembly to tell other students and also motivate them that you should be doing the things like her. You should do something creative, or you should support the society, ma'am. That's the great thing I have got from my school.
Okay. Have you been able to motivate or encourage any of your own friends to take up these activities? Do you have any examples like that? That I told her, so she did this.
Ma'am, actually, I try to do that every time, ma'am, but I don't know that they take it seriously or what, ma'am. Even I have told to my parents also and everyone, ma'am. Everyone who are surrounded by us, but they just ignore it, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sure they'll see your work and they'll see what good work you're doing and probably they'll get motivated. And that's what Super Hooper is for. The idea is if we can get children who you're talking to, if they can actually see what you're doing, maybe that is going to make them take you seriously. I hope that happens. And Akshata, if you had to say something to your classmates, like right now is a great time. If you want to motivate them or give them some word of advice, what would that be? To motivate them, to push them to take up initiatives.
If I just wanted to say a line that if they are the part of the society, then they should not feel ashamed to be a part of society and to make it healthy, ma'am. That's it.
Okay. Do you have any other hobbies that you are do you want to talk about? Any hobbies, any talent that you want to talk about?
Yes, ma'am. I have a very good hobby like dancing, ma'am.
Oh, you dance. So what kind of dance do you practice?
Ma'am, aerobics, ma'am, just.
Okay, so you like dancing. That is your hobby. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
That even keeps you fit. It keeps you energetic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All
And
right.
also, one of the student of yoga also, ma'am, in our school.
Okay, so you're part of the yoga team in your school, yoga classes in your school as well. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Keep all your interests up, and I hope that whatever vision you have, whatever plans that you have to make your team, I hope that is as successful as it can be. And we'll keep watching, and all the best for whatever you guys have exams coming up.
Ma'am, they still didn't give any information about that, ma'am.
Okay, so you're in class 9, right?
Yes, ma'am, in class 9th.
So no boards yet, so it's okay. So you're not so worried, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Hopefully next year everything will be back to normal when you're in 10th standard. Let's see. Okay, so all the best, Akshata. I hope you do well.